If these things are saved inside which area, no? Which memory?
Pardon, tell me.
Like int j is equal to 10. J is
Mm-hmm.
in which memory? J. Like
I
we
mean,
have
which
a
memory you're saying?
yeah, no. Like we have a stack area and heap area.
Correct.
So in which area it will going to save, no? Inside the I think it will go going to save it in a stack area.
Correct. They're directly stored in the stack.
Okay.
All the primitive variables. I mean, the 8 are there, right?
Yes,
Int,
ma'am.
byte, short, long, float, double, boolean, and char. These values are directly stored in the stack, on the stack.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which will help in memory management again. Okay. They are also stored on the heap, but I don't think in initial classes you need to go into that much depth. Okay.
But
When
when we close the class, it will automatically clear the heap area. I think.
mm, correct. So this
Yeah.
heap stack memories we can discuss in much detail when after
Okay,
we
ma'am.
finish like learning about what is a class, what is an object, and then
Okay,
we'll
ma'am.
go in detail about yesterday's discussed types of variables, right? Instance variables, static variables, local variables, correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
when that topic comes, we can discuss more in detail
Okay.
about this memory. At this point, if you discuss, I don't think it will. I mean,
Okay.
we cannot absorb much, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now, if there is uh, an operator called as increment operator and a decrement operator. Sorry. Okay, fine. So increment and decrement operators. So these we use like as a statement. Every line of a programming code is called as a statement which ends with semicolon, right? So I can say a plus plus or plus plus
Yes, plus
a.
plus.
Okay.
A
So
minus minus.
yes, minus minus a and then
Plus A plus A minus minus.
a minus minus.
Minus
Okay.
minus.
So what is this plus plus and a plus 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 a minus minus? So
It is
these two are increment statements. Okay. So we are by this is nothing but a equal to a plus 1. This is also a equal to a plus 1. Stop me if anyone doesn't understand. A equal to a minus 1. A equal to a minus 1. So if a equal to a plus 1, then why are there two operators present here? Okay. This is called as post increment. Okay. And this is called as pre increment. Similarly,
post decrement.
no, this is pre, right?
No,
Pre decrement.
pre decrement. This post decrement.
And this is post decrement. Okay. Pre means before. Before. Okay. Post means later. Right? So, what is pre and post decrement? Right? So, if I say b equal to plus plus, suppose. Okay. And then c is equal to, we'll write different values so that there won't be much confusion. Int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, C equal to 30, D equal to 40, E equal to 50, F is equal to 60, okay, so on. So now let's try to know how it is being implemented. So I am telling B is actually 20. I am trying to assign plus A. Okay. And next step I am doing B equal to C plus plus. Fine. Now let's see what is getting printed here. System dot out dot println. Yeah. So someone help me with what we have to type.
B. So
The value of A.
increment.
We have to know, right, what is the value of A. Okay. And did I forget quotes? And the value of B is. So, any prompt? What will be the values here in this case?
B is equal to 11.
C equal to 30. C, B.
Okay. So, initially we have to see, we are trying to calculate the values of A and B. Okay. What is the value of A initially?
10.
Initially A equal to 10 and B equal to
B equal to B.
20. 20. Okay.
20, yeah.
So, now because assignment operator is used, B value is equal to A value. Okay. Now, but what is the value of A? That has to be calculated first. Okay. Plus A means what? What is the name? Pre-increment. Means do it first. Okay. Pre means do it first. Don't postpone it later. Do it first. Add it first. Okay. So, what is the value of A then? A equal to A plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1. So, finally, the value of B is what? B is equal to 11. Understood? Okay. Now, let's check the values of B, no, C and then B. Okay. So, what are the values of B now? B value from the above. B is actually 11, but assignment operator is there. So, B should be equal to value of C. Now, the challenge is what is the value of C? Is it C plus 1 or not? What value is assigned to B? Okay. So, when you have been given the post increment, it will add the value after the operation is done. Okay. First, it will give the value of C to B, and after that, it is going to update the value of C to C plus 1. C plus 1 and 10 and
31.
nothing but 31. So, 31 is the value of C, but B will be what? 30.
B is equal to 30.
If anyone is in any confusion, please ask. I'll again repeat. Okay. So, the value of B is 11. Avunandi? And then value of B in the next step is what? 30. So, yes.
It will increase the first it will print as it is, then it will increase the value of
Later.
and
Yeah.
in the next
Yes. It will increase the value later.
Okay.
And assign it to the respective variable C. Okay. Similarly, you have what? Pre-decrement and post-decrement, right?
The value of A and B is
Yes, yes, yes. Who is that? Tell me. Someone asked a question. Can you please repeat? E minus minus. This is C. Value of D here. And then the value of C. Value of C. E and then C.
C is equal to 39.
Okay. Now, first what will you do? It is pre-decrement. So, first decrease the value of D. What is the value of D?
D is
40
equal to 40.
minus 1 is equal to
39.
39. So, the same pre-decrement means first decrease the value of D and assign it to C. What is C now? From 30 to 39. So, C is also equal to 39. Clear? Any doubt? You can ask me. I can repeat. I don't have any issue to repeat. No one is saying the correction here. I kept the statements like this only. Yeah. Explain me. How will the output be for the second statement? Here, what is the value of E? E initial value is what? 50.
Initial value is 51. So
This is
it
initial.
will print the 50. Initially it will
So,
print 50.
first what will happen? It is post decrement. So, what will happen?
Yes.
Value will be given to?
Assigned to the C.
C is equal to what now?
C is
50.
equal to 50.
And then E
And
is
then
equal to?
E is equal to 49.
Exactly. If anyone did not understand, please let me know. Okay. So, let's see the output again. Okay. 39 and 50. 50 is the value of C. That's what we expected, right? Understood? You can say no also instead of like. Clear?
yes, you know.
Okay, fine. So, these are all increment and decrement operators wherein we don't need two variables. Only one variable is enough. So, that is why we call them as unary operators. What is it? So, plus plus A, A minus minus like this. Can you also write a sample program as assignment today? Okay. In the output using which operators did we use today? Assignment operators. Think differently. Okay, and unary operators. Okay, so in unary operators, we also have discussed about not, right? Boolean r equal to true. Then so what should be the output of r when it is not r? False. Reverse of what is the value of r. Clear? Okay. So now we have another operator called as ternary operator. Okay. I'll take it in the notepad. Ternary operator. Okay. So ternary operator is an operator which is used to decide the result based upon some condition. Okay. What is it? Based upon a condition. Yes, no. Based upon yes, no. Like for example, if you want to know, if I give you a number, okay, then you have to tell me whether it is a positive number or negative number. Okay. If I tell that age of a person is so and so, you have to tell whether he can vote or not vote. So there is a condition for voting, right? There is a condition for giving a driver license, correct? There is a condition um, for a year to be leap year or not, correct? Based upon that, we we have a special operator called as ternary operator, wherein we'll give a condition and based upon it, if the condition is true, this will execute. Expression 1 will execute. If condition is false, expression 2 will execute. Expression or statement. Why did I give expression here is inside the ternary, I mean this statement after one condition is true, you can also include another condition in expression 1 or expression 2. Okay. Or a simple statement like system.out.println also you can give, or else you can just assign some value. Okay. So what is a ternary operator? It will evaluate the test condition and execute a block of code based on the result of the condition. Based upon the result, whether the condition is true or false, then the expression will be executed. So if condition is true, the first expression or statement will execute. And if condition is false, second one will execute. Okay. Let's see a sample program. Hope this is clear. Okay. Ternary operator, right? For ternary operator, you have to come up with your own program. Okay. Like you can say odd number. You don't have to struggle much. You can also Google and find out. But only thing is I need you guys to write the program and practice. Okay. So for example, I say there is person whose age is 16. Fine. So we'll will give the variable as age. Age is 16. Now I am declaring another Boolean variable. I prefer using different kind of variables so that later you don't have any issue using the other data types. We generally use int, char and all, right? Boolean very rarely it will be used. So is adult. Okay, so you see the colon. Okay, it's not semicolon. So this is the condition is equal to age greater than or equal to 18. Variable is equal to question mark and then colon, and if the age is greater than 18, then what should we do? Assign the value true. If it is false, if the condition is false, okay, see here. So here we have taken the integer age is equal to 16, right? So every statement has to end with a semicolon. So understood the syntax here? You can also give to avoid okay for more understandability. Okay, so you can do like this. So is adult is equal to is age greater than 18? If yes, then true, or else it is false. We can give system dot anode anode. Okay, clear, understood?
So
False.
we have to give both true and false. So if it is whatever we give first, that is considered as true, ma'am.
Yeah, if this condition is true, okay. See, in this
Okay.
case, 32 is greater than or equal to, not both conditions. We
Yes.
have seen relational operators yesterday, if you remember, correct?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so if age is greater than or equal to 18, condition is true or false now? Did you see the age?
Yes, it is true. It is more
Okay.
than 18.
Okay. So can he vote?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
It will be true. Okay. Or else
Okay.
when I change it to 3 or something. Okay.
Okay.
Then can you vote?
No.
Is false. Fine.
Okay. 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 So now if we keep the same condition and if we can write false and true vice versa also.
Yeah, you can write. See, I will take this as less than or equal. If age is less,
Okay.
can he vote?
No.
I did that.
Okay.
False and
Fine.
true I
Yeah.
have done. Okay.
Yes. Fine.
Similarly,
Thank you.
like this,
Mm.
no problem. Okay. You can have leap year. For leap year, say for example, int Feb days is equal to 28. Do you know what is a leap year? Leap year is an year. Okay.
An extra day would be there in February.
Divided by
There
4
it
and
comes.
100. Okay, that is there, and we like this is a hard and fast rule, right? February will have 29 days, right?
Yes.
29 days. Okay, leap year will have 29 days. So what condition
Every
can you
4
give?
years.
What condition can you give? This is an assignment, that's why I'm trying to explain. Okay,
Hmm.
is leap is equal to Feb days
Is equal to or more than 28?
is equal to 29
29.
question mark
True.
true or else
Colon false.
false. Okay, there is another one like find greatest or smallest. Okay, number of given three numbers. For this also you can use. Okay, initially what you have to do, you have to take the values of A, B and then C. What you need to check is A greater than B. Okay, so if A is greater, it will come here, or else it will come here as false thing. It is not greater, means less. Okay, then here what you need to check again, check if
B is greater.
B is
Which is
greater than
greater than C.
no C.
Or A is greater than
C
C.
is greater than B. You have already known here that B is greater. And here also there is another condition internally. Okay, that is called as I mean nested ternary operator, we say that. Okay, so that we'll see tomorrow. It will take little longer time. Fine. Instead I'll give you, but you can think about it in the meanwhile. We can also see even or odd numbers. Okay, if anyone did not understand, you can stop me at any time. Okay, so here int num is the number is, yes. Okay, I want to know if a number is an even number or odd number. What is the condition?
Divisible by 2.
And how will you know if it
It's
is divisible or not? Reminder should be 0.
0.
Okay, if num percentile 2 is equal to 0, okay, then even. I'm just explaining. Or odd number. Okay.
Yes.
If a number is divisible by 2, then it will leave a reminder 0. Then we call it as an even number. Or else we call it as odd number. Fine. So how will you write it? How will you write it? Say, till now we are doing
Number
true and
is
false. Boolean we are using, right? Let's start with
yes.
something else. We want a string. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
String even odd. Okay. I'll write it here only. Is equal to num percentile equal to 0. Then question mark. What will be the expression 1? If it is 0, what we have to give the string?
True. It is even.
Even number. Okay, you can give given even number or given number is even, your wish. Okay, you just want to print it well, and then separated by colon, and then what string?
Given number is in
Odd.
Yes, given number is odd. Very good. Yeah, and with a semicolon. Understood till this part? Please see these two, the ternary operator, how it is being used, and these are the two assignments that you have to do along with the program that you have to write for. What is that we have discussed today? Unary operators and then assignment operators, which
Increment
include
operators.
our increment, decrement. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the assignment. Even or odd, and then also. If anyone is not understanding the logic, please stop me, because later on you will get little more complex. Given here. All right. So 3 programs are given as assignments. Okay. Now the time is open for asking any kinds of doubts that you have, either theoretical or practical programming. We have 1 minute to go. You can text me also. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am. As of now, it's clear.
Okay. Bindu?
we are getting a call right now. As of now.
Okay. Okay. So is it clear for everyone? If anyone is not clear, please ping in the chat. At least then I'll know that I'll try to help them, nothing else. So after this topic will be conditional statement, okay, decision making statements, looping, okay. We'll see that in detail tomorrow. Once that conditional statements and all decision making statements are done, it will have loops, while loops will be there, for will be